Imagine a partner who never attempts to kiss you or any part of your body. Could you envision a lifetime commitment with them? A fascinating question, isn't it? Now let's dive into the deep end of this emotional pool. Firstly, physical affection is one of the love languages, and for many, it's a vital aspect of a romantic relationship. A lack of it may feel like a void, a missing puzzle piece in the connection. However, on the flip side, love is an intricate tapestry woven with threads of various shades and textures. If the other threads, understanding, trust, respect, companionship, are strong and vibrant, could the absence of one thread dim the whole picture? It may for some, and for others, it may not. Relationships are as diverse as the people in them. What's crucial is communication. Open up, express your needs, and understand theirs. Because love isn't one size fits all, it's tailored to fit two hearts perfectly. Remember, it's your tapestry to weave, your story to write. So, could you marry someone who never tries to kiss you? The answer lies within you.